What's going on, YouTube? Out here putting some water on the lawn. We are expecting a lot of rain, but it's hit and miss. So it's a possibility that I won't get any. I think it's scattered storms and showers are expected. And the key word is scattered, and you can never pinpoint where it's going to go down. So I'm just wanting to make sure I get a little moisture in the ground for the non-germinated seeds. As you can see, the grass is popping up, and that's a lot of germination there for 8 days. This is the 8th day. I planted it last Tuesday, and this is the following Wednesday. A week out, a week and a day. So there are some concerns and issues. I have a considerable areas that don't have any green fuzz popping up, but it's remains to be seen if there's no seeds or there's going to be a bare area or not. And if you are overseeding, one of the things that you don't want to do is have too many seeds in one area. What I've learned from doing that is the seed, it will be so crowded and so compact, it will be so thick there that you can't get any air down to the ground or even sun to help evaporate any moisture that might be there. And you couple that with warm temperatures, that equals fungus. So you really are doing yourself a disjustice if you just put too many seeds out. It's best to just let the grass grow up and try to see how much is going to germinate first, and then add as needed to bare spots, because obviously you do have bare spots, but you just need to be on the safe side. So you won't just waste time dealing with trying to deal with all this fungus issues and this over application of seeds. But this is encouraging after 8 days. And I know it looks a mess. I'm going to pressure wash all of this stuff and really try to clean this property up. I know it's been a while. Been focused on this yard and other projects so much, I really hadn't did a lot. And I did a lot of expensive upgrades to the house. We had like 50 windows, and I had all windows added. So some of the things had to go by the wayside as far as money wise, because I spent so much in other areas. But since I'm not going anywhere soon, I have time, so I'm just taking baby steps and doing what I can do now. And right now, this is the part that I'm on, which is the lawn. Again, putting out new seeds. So hopefully this, in about a month or so, hopefully this will be all covered. And I'm going to tackle that this week on the way to the chances of rain die down in a few more days, and then get the back part, all the acreage over on the side taken care of, get that planted, and then I'll be good to go. And so I'm going to deal with this grass here up until the late spring, probably in May. I'm going to make some changes here, and I'll keep you guys updated on that, and you'll be able to see this. But I want to eventually have this thing all leveled out with no these little valleys and dips and stuff like that, because I would love to have a real mow, using a real mow out here, a mower out here. I think it'll be really, really nice, and that's where I'm going to go. And I'm going to overseed with a different type of grass. But I'll be doing a lot of research and studying on what I'm going to do, so I'll be ready for the summer when I'm doing it. So no need to get into all of that right now when my knowledge base isn't as deep as I want it to get, but I'll be there by the time summertime gets here. I will be well versed in the subject, just like I am in everything. I study everything because, you know, I want to be able to do the best that I can at whatever I do. So I really research and study. But again, this is 8 days planting fescue, KBG, and probably everything in here is fescue that has germinated. Probably none of it is Kentucky bluegrass. That's why I want to continue to have the water on it, because the germination, obviously all the Kentucky bluegrass or fescue is not all germinated. So that's why you want to keep your watering regimen going until you can get this thing established. Anyway, this is another video. Thanks for watching.